Hello friends, in this video I am discussing NBHM PhD problems. This is the double integral problem asked in NBHM PhD paper. NBHM PhD paper. This is the double integral substitution method problem. This is the very important for IIT JAM and other entrance exams also. This is the substitutions of multiple integrals based problem. We see the solution for this question. I is equal to integral of r square e power of minus double integral over region r square e power of minus x plus 2y whole square minus x plus y whole square dx dy. Now you take the substitution x plus 2y equal to u and x plus y equal to v. Then differentiate this function with respect to x, so you get du is equal to dx and this function differentiate with respect to y, we get dv is equal to dy. Then we substitute these values in this double integral. We get I is equal to double integral over region r square e power of minus x plus 2y, we taken u, then e power of minus u square minus this x plus y taken as v, then this as v square, then dx dy values du dv. Now we take the this is the now we have to convert the Cartesian form into polar form. Then limits becomes I is equal to integration 0 to infinity and 0 to 2 pi. This is the limits e power of minus r square, because you take u square minus u square plus v square is equal to r square. Then we taken minus as common, this taken as r square, that's why here taken as minus, we get this is in the form of u square e power of minus of u square plus v square. This term comes r square, that's why I am taken r square e power of minus r square and du dv value is r into dr d theta. This is the polar form. Then now we have to integrate with respect to theta, then we integrate with respect to r. This is the theta in limits, this is the r limits. Then I is equal to integration r is equal to 0 to infinity e power of minus r square is constant into r, then we integrate with respect to d theta, we get theta 0 to limits 0 to 2 pi. Then we solving, we get I is equal to 2 pi is common, because this is the solving r is equal to 0 to infinity e power of minus r square into r. Upper limit minus lower limit, we become 2 pi. 2 pi is common, 2 pi is constant, that's why I taken outside. Then we take the again substitution, that is r square is equal to t, then 2r dr is equal to dt and r dr is equal to dt by 2. Then this integral becomes I is equal to 2 pi integral 0 to infinity. If r is equal to 0, limits also change, r is equal to 0, t value is 0, r is equal to infinity, then t is equal to infinity, then limits becomes t is equal to 0 to infinity and e power up minus t into dr dt value is dt by 2. This two get cancelled. Now we have to integrate with respect to t, we get e power of minus t by minus 1, then limit applying limit 0 to infinity. This also written like this, pi into minus 1 by e power of t and limit 0 to infinity. Now we have to applying upper limit minus lower limit, we get I is equal to pi into minus into 1 by e power of infinity, where infinity minus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and 1 by e power of 0, I is equal to pi into we know that e power of infinity value is infinity, then 1 by infinity value is 0, then minus into 0 0 plus 1 by e power of 0 value is 1, then 1 by 1 value is 1, therefore the required answer is 5. This is the required answer. Thanks for watching.